This is the PV sourced BLDC motor drive in which the speed will be controlled with the help of the low converter. By controlling the output voltage of the converter, we can control the speed of the motor. Here in this PV, the input voltage is around 35 volt and power of one panel is around 300 watts, and we are using 7 panels. So totally it will be around 2000 watts. And this is the low converter. Here this inductor will be charging and discharging when the switch is on or off. And this capacitor will provide the increase in step-up ratio. Output of the converter will be in the range of 100 volt to 250 volt. And this is the speed control. This is the controller. And initially we are providing the torque value as 0. That is, it will run on no load condition. After 1 second, the torque value will be around 3. And after 2 seconds, torque value will be around 12. That is no load, water load, full load conditions. And also the speed will be changed at the time of 0.5 seconds. Initially it is 500 RPM. After 0.5 seconds, it will be 1500 RPM. This is the stator current. Initially at no load condition. After 0.5 seconds, that speed is changed. So here this is the current value. After 1 second, the torque is changed. And after 2 seconds, again the torque is changed to full load condition. And this is the comparison between the reference speed and the measured speed. Initially it is around 500 RPM at no load condition. After 0.5 seconds, it is increased to 1500 RPM. After 1 second, torque is changed from no load condition to quarter load. After 2 seconds, torque is changed from quarter load to full load condition. This is the converter output. Okay, when the speed is 500 RPM, the converter output voltage is around 100 volt and current is nearly minimum, very, very minimum. And after 0.5 seconds, the voltage is increased to 250 volt. After 1 second, the torque is increased, load torque is increased to quarter load, that is 3 Newton meter. So here we are getting voltage around 250 volt and current is around 2 amps. Power is around 500 watts. And after 2 seconds, the load is increased again from quarter load to full load, that is 12 Newton meter per second. Here, the voltage is around 250 volt, current is around 8 amps, power is around 2000 watts. And this is the torque calculated from the machine side. Sorry, power consumed calculated from the machine side. Initially it is nearly 0. Then after that it is 500 watts. After 2 seconds it is around 2000 watts. Okay, here we are controlling the BLDC motor with the help of this low converter controller. In this we are providing the speed reference as 500 and 1500 RPM. And also we will vary the load torque from no load to full load. So what are the current and voltage waveforms, what is the power consumed, that and all we can check using these scopes.